To deploy apps on Jekyo, you must have Node.js, npm, and Git installed locally on your machine. You can find more details about the local setup in the description below. If it's the first time you're using Jekyo, you need to install it, create an account, and sign in. All of these can be done from your terminal. To install Jekyo, run npm install past global flag Jekyo. To create an account, run Jekyo user sign up and follow the instructions. To sign in, run Jekyo user sign in and input your username and password. This tutorial covers two scenarios: creating and deploying a sample Ionic Angular app and configuring and deploying an existing Ionic Angular app. To create an Ionic Angular app, run Jekyo create. This will show you a list of many different frameworks. Selecting one will clone a pre-configured basic sample app that you can build upon. So go ahead and select Ionic Angular using the arrows on your keyboard. Name your application anything you want. Ionic Angular demo. Now you can see that in the folder you are working in, there's a new one with the name you've just given and the app inside of it. To deploy this app, you need to navigate to its directory. Cd Ionic Angular demo, run npm install to install dependencies, and now simply run Jekyo deploy. Now the app is live and you can follow this link. If you want to redeploy this app after you've modified it, commit your changes and simply run Jekyo deploy again. To deploy an existing Ionic Angular app, first navigate to its directory. Now I'm in the app's root. This needs to be a Git repository. If you haven't already done so, make your first commit by running git init, git add dot, which is short for all, and git commit initial commit. Next, you must edit the file called package.json, which should be found in the root of your app. You must edit the start line to also include Jekyo's port and host by passing the two flags. So pass the port flag and specify the port variable, host variable, and also you need to disable Angular's host check. Disable host check. Save the file, add it to Git, and commit your changes. Edit start line. Okay. Install any needed dependencies with npm install. Now run Jekyo create. This time from the list, select none. This creates an app on Jekyo that's temporarily empty. We will then link our local app to this empty app on Jekyo. Give your app a name. Link your local app by running Jekyo link. Select your recently named app, in my case Ionic Angular tutorial, and run Jekyo deploy. The deployment process can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your app. Now the app is deployed and you can follow this link to see it live. If you see this error, it's because the SSL certificate hasn't been generated yet. So all you have to do in this case is simply refresh your browser after a few seconds. Now everything is working. If you need to push some local changes to update your live app, add the modified files to the Git index by running git add, commit your changes, and simply run Jekyo deploy again. You will see your changes live in a few moments without any downtime. Feel free to post any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.